AKA known as the AUDIOZONE, man. We got a guy here, y'all seen him on many videos before. Came by the shop this morning, very happy, very proud, and tell me, you need to come outside and see what God blessed me with. Is that what you said? Oh! 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 Boy! Nah, I know what he came up with, brother. Wow! Wide body 392, y'all. Wide body 392. Wow, y'all. Look how beautiful this thing is, man. Wow, brother, I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you, man. Like it is just, I'm so proud of you. Like, wow. I can't even tell you nothing. I'm saying, man, you killed it. You killed it, you killed it. Unlock it, man. You literally killed it, brother. You killed it. Wow, brother. I'm so, look at that. Plastic on the radio. Paperwork in the back. I'm so proud of you, man. What do you got to tell everybody on YouTube today about this?
I drew off the lot. I'm lost for words still.
You just got out the lot with it?
Yeah.
So I got a question, man. When you came back in the day and you come with Joe and the other customers and they come with their cars, putting money in their cars, you began to have a desire. And your desire was to get one.
Yeah.
So you know what? This is what I'm gonna tell you, man. If you dream, you can achieve. If you put yourself that you really want something, you stay focused, you can accomplish it. How old are you?
17.
17, guys. Yo, this boy is 17 years old, my friend. And look what God has blessed him with. Open up the engine bay. Let's take a look at this bad boy. 17 years old. Beautiful car, my God.
I want to get the wide body.
SRT 392, my friend. Didn't get an RT, didn't get an SXT. Powered by SRT 392, wide body. I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you that you didn't even understand. That's like a big accomplishment. You have really moved today to a whole nother level in your life, brother. Like this is growing up, man. This is growing up. This is some grown man stuff. Tony, what do you think about that?
And do you think our mother needs to wide body her HELLCAT?
No, I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking about how beautiful the car is. Just gorgeous, bro. It's a beautiful car, yeah. Like there's nothing to talk about. You really, brother, have killed the game. I mean, you killed it. You're 17 years old. You don't understand that that's an accomplishment for your age. Bro, that many guys don't have the mind focused enough to even do that. They're more into being dumb and being retarded and doing stupid things and playing games and buying shoes and other stuff, man. And you got a big pair of shoes here. Like this kills any shoes that you can buy. In my opinion, I don't care what you walk around with in your shoes, brother. But you pull up with this, you killed the shoe game. Killed it. So now we have another project we're gonna start working on and getting this bad boy all hooked up. We need the window tint. I already know everything we need to do. I'm pretty sure you had to put a deposit, so we're gonna leave you without. We're gonna let you keep some money. Merry Christmas to you, man. I'm stoked out for words. It's a beautiful wide body, man. Like wow, wide body 392. Congratulations from the bottom of my heart. You deserve it because I know you're working your butt off. And he came to the AUDIOZONE to bring it to show us the car, man. I can't even tell you how excited I am. This is a beautiful thing, guys. This is beautiful to see people succeed, man. To see people go after the dreams and actually get to them, man. That is a beautiful thing, man. So I just say if you work hard enough, you can achieve it. 2020 was hard for a lot of people. 2020, he just bought his 392 wide body. Depends on how you're working and how your mindset is what it's gonna be, y'all. I am so proud of you, man. Oh, y'all, something. Where's everybody at? Yo, check this out, y'all. I'm so proud of this guy. We got a customer, man. He's 17 years old, Josh. Came here with his friends. I always say that he was gonna buy his car, Look what he just bought himself. Wait till I show you this boy's car. 17-year-old guy, bro. Worked his butt off. Look what he's driving today. Gonna walk back in a minute. Kill the game, y'all. 17 years old, brother. Brand new 2021 or 2020, 392 wide body. Look at that. Brand new. Look, he even got the sticker on the screen still. Look at that screen. Paperwork back here. He has just bought this wide body. John, what do you got to say about that? 17-year-old.
I want something.
And he ain't doing no drugs and nothing like that either. He legit and clean. I tell you, I know him. I know him for a while. Bro, he killed the game. I'm so in love with it. I can't wait to do my first burnout in this car. It's his car, but I'm gonna do a burnout.
Man, nah, you can't do that.
Very cool, man. My boy here, 17 years old. We have established he has no girlfriend. I was just telling Josh, Well, Isaac says, because he has no girlfriend, that's why he's able to afford that. Me and Josh said, maybe if we leave our wife, we might be able to afford better things too. What do you think, Josh?
I need another stunt bike.
Yeah, it's relationships do cost you money, man, but it's all worth it at the same time, man. It's your partner, it's a build. But it's like Isaac. Isaac's single, he got a 5.0. This boy single, he got here. He's not single, because we're not gonna talk about that. This one has too many options to think about. He's married, I'm married. You gotta get the picture. Stay tuned. I got a little thing I did for this young man. I told him for his accomplishment, man, of getting this car done. I'm gonna give him a free window tint for Christmas, man. I told him I'm gonna tint his car up today for Christmas for free. Not something I have to do, but you know what? I mean, I know he worked very hard to get this car. I know he busted himself to get it. And as a token from AUDIOZONE and AUDIOCAT to him being a subscriber and working, telling me he's gonna get to his dreams and he's gonna get it, he was dreaming of having one and being able to accomplish it. For that, I'm gonna give him a free window tint today, man. So I'll keep y'all posted. Right up, bro. All right, crew, so we at the finale of the day, man. We've done a couple cars. They're not even on the vlog. It's been a busy day. But I do want to bring y'all, man. We got the young man who came with the beautiful car. This is his boyfriend. I mean, this is his homeboy. I'm only playing, man. This is Joe, man. He's a customer. Y'all seen him on a couple other vlogs. This is his car. We want to give him a present today, man. You came in the season of the year. I want to tell you Merry Christmas from AUDIOZONE and AUDIOCAT, man. We want to thank you guys for everything. He's like, bro, you know what he's saying, right? He goes, that's messed up. I spent all the money here. Why the hell did he get the window tint? That what you saying, Joe? That's pretty much what he's saying. Huh? You see what I'm saying? You feel that? Look at that face. So what do you want for Christmas, Joe?
Serious headlights.
Damn, he had to go to like some $900. I mean, you got to come to a reasonable number, man.
I got the headlights. I'll be installed.
You got the kid? I get 50% off for the install.
All right,
Merry Christmas to you too. Joe's been a customer this whole year. Throughout COVID and everything, he's been with us, man. So we'll get him set up. I'm gonna have my son make you an appointment. Get it in. That's Merry Christmas to you too, brother. Joe's been, y'all watch the videos, man. I mean, you know, sometimes we just do random things, and this is one of those random events, but we support those that support us, man. He's been with us since the beginning of the whole year. He's brought everything here. We're grateful for that, so you got 50% off for your install of your Flow series, man.
A2.
We just came back to town from New Jersey. We are pulling up to the shop for the first time with Nova came behind me. I just want to record the reaction to get to see this car, man. It's really a beautiful car. I'm very blessed, man, to have it here today. We're at the shop, as you can see, we're pulling up right here. We got these customers in front of the shop already. But we're gonna go get the reaction to the car because they see what's going on here with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car called the Nova King. Come here, let me introduce you to the Nova King. First of all, Papi, I missed y'all. Good morning, man. Happy New Year, Papi. This is Nova King. I gotta do some little things to it today, but that's the Nova King. Wait till you hear this car and see this car. What are you thinking about it? ¿Qué dices de ella?
Pioneerly, I love the Weblins.
What you thinking about her?
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it more than you don't understand. Look, I like this. I'm excited as hell, man. That's my new toy. AUDIOCAT, man, she is back and moving and rolling again, man. I'm so excited for her too. I can't wait to drive her. I put the wide body 2 wheels on temporarily because I sold my other rims to my brothers. I got some other wheels coming on the way, man. Y'all gonna stay tuned for that, man. But we're at the shop. I'm gonna go meet Josh in the front and see what's going on and get everything situated with my clients. We're walking out. We got a good old customer of mine, man. His name is Mitch. Y'all probably seen him on a lot of older vlogs, but this is the AUDIOCAT. You've seen her, but this is a new one today. Josh, what are you thinking about her?
I like it.
Wait till you see her, bro. Like, she is dramatically stupid. She's, bro, look, hold on. Let me show y'all something in a minute. Now, I'm truthfully, Mitch, I'm in love with her. I mean, you really have to see the car. You don't understand the car until you get into the car, but everything is done completely. Josh, what are you thinking about the build?
Yeah, everything's done.
Everything in this car is done from head to toe. Like, y'all. That slow thing could whoop your ass if you want to go to the streets right now. You know that one don't play. That's the AUDIOCAT. You see Audio Fox always talking crap about the AUDIOCAT, man, but y'all all know what happens in between them both, so we'll leave it at that, man.